Here at EuroOffice, we have more camera accessories than you can shake a stick at. So I'm going to give you the rundown of some of our most essential. First up, we've got the durable digital camera cleaning kit and free screen clean. This all-in-one kit is a specialist kit that can be used across all camera types. Now, the durable kit is ideal for removing dust, fingerprints and other traces of dirt from cameras, ideal for gentle and streak-free cleaning of monitor screens, screen filters, laptop screens and PDAs. Next on the roster, we've got the AF lens wipes with wet or dry sachets for safe cleaning of digital cameras, camcorders or detachable lenses. Now, these high-quality cloths are perfect for glass, mirrors, LCD and TFT monitors, as well as camera equipment, TV screens and laptops. Our final camera accessory is just the thing if you want to transfer photos and video clips to your PC from your camera. This might be to print them, make modifications or send them via email. And the HP PhotoSmart M Series dock lets you do all this and much, much more. And as always, as we say here at EuroOffice, we won't be beaten on price.